from the company LKCTP. It's a box cutter, a cardboard cutter, a scissors with a blade that rotates with 2600 milliamps. As we open up the package and show you how nicely this is presented, in a carrying case, you get the cable, a spare blade, and we're going to cut cardboard. Cardboard is what this unit's for. It's a soft, hard shell, USB-C to A compliance, with an instruction guide on how to change your blade and more. It's an octagon type shape. It is a blade that we're going to show you how to change. So as you unpack it, this one, the size of an extra large hand, as you can see. It's got an LED light, a trigger on the bottom, and a safety button on top. Press the safety button, pull the trigger, the light will stay on for a number of seconds and shut off. You need a large slotted type screwdriver on an area pushed in to change the blade out. So what we're going to do is charge our unit up for the first time. We have a cable already plugged in. It plugs into the bottom of the unit, and we have the light, red, orange, and green. We allow it to charge, and we could change the blade while it's charging. These holes, put something small in, so this way you could change this out. Place in the screwdriver, and unscrew. As you unscrew, remove the nut, the bolt, and place in the new one. Match up these two areas, put the blade in here. Rotate, screw back on. Lock down. You may put the screw back in to tighten up for slippage. And now you're completed. When fully charged, pull, squeeze, good to go. With a 2600 mAh battery and 300 RPM with a 1/4 inch thickness. We have two pieces of cardboard. Squeeze the trigger, pull, cut. I will show you that cutting again. If you need to make designs and cuts, squeeze the trigger, and make a circle. You can make a nice semicircle. It's great for those recycling days to cut up all your cardboard with your cutter. I hope you enjoy your cutter. It's a 1/4 inch to cut down, 2600 battery operated, 300 RPM, scissor for cardboard. Enjoy your product.